Wagwan, when up morning, evening, noon, night, and sponsor the big up on yourself. That time of day is something that video is something. So the video is gonna be on SHENSEEA, the releasing of her new song IDKW, which means I don't know why. I don't know if it's considered sampling, remake, or homage, but you put it in whatever category you guys want to put it in. However, she released the music video for it yesterday, January 17, 2020. And the feedback is not, not even say 50-50. It goes up and down. It reminds me almost of when she released Blessed featuring Tiger. However, Russian did not like what was going on because SHENSEEA was being real drag for it, saying it's trash, it's this and it's that. And this is what Russian had to tweet. He tweeted, "Jamaica, let's build our stars and future. Stop trying to tear down our own artists. Too much negativity. Let's get it." So I'm going to put right here into the video a few comments showing what most were saying toward Russian for this, being that they feel like Russian, as always, I'm a buy out SHENSEEA, or it's not considered negativity, it's just considered that they don't like the song. So here goes a few comments that I captured.
A movie star. You may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. Yes, I love you in every way. I don't know.
So that completes it for today's video. You can let me know down below in the comment section what's your take on it. Do you agree with Russian? Have you listened to the song? And how do you feel about the song? And what exactly do you call it? A sample, remake, or homage? Either way, opinion is opinion and you're free to state yours here. So until next time, and the next time something that never something that here you I'm gonna big up on